How to turn off or disable the profanity filter on Wiki application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to disable and turn off profanity filter on Wiki application. So first thing, just head over to your Wiki application. So once you are inside the home page of your Wiki application, just tap on the top left corner of your profile section and just tap on this. So once you tap on your profile icon, you will land in this page where you'll have to simply tap on this three dot icon at the top right corner and just click on this option called settings. So under the settings option, once inside your settings, just tap on this app setting option over here. You can see just above the privacy option over here. So once you tap on the app settings, you will be landing on this page and you just have to scroll all the way down until you see the option called profanity filter under the other section, just below the sticker section as well, sticker option. So just tap on this profanity filter. As you can see, it's currently enabled right now. So to simply disable it, just tap on that particular option and just disable this button over here, which is blue button. So once you disable it, then you will have successfully disabled or turned off the profanity filter on Wiki app. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.